What's up, everybody? So today is another exciting day over here at ZevCentric. I'm going to introduce you guys to a product that I didn't think I'd need to buy. So as most of you may know, our cars come with pretty good audio systems. And a little backstory on me is I actually started in the 12-volt industry back in 1990. And then, fast forward, 20 years after having kids, I never thought that I'd be getting into audio again. But came to find out that last year, some old friends of mine from my old Scion FRS days were going to be exhibiting at the Tesla Takeover in San Luis Obispo at Madonna Inn. So when I found out they were going to be there and under a new brand called Orella Acoustics, I decided to go visit them at their booth. And I ended up sitting in their demo vehicle, which was probably a big mistake. And sitting in that vehicle, I listened to it and it just brought back all these memories of me in my 12-volt days, but back then it was like, two 12-inch subwoofers and full audio, full custom trunk, all this crazy stuff, being obnoxious, making tons of noise down the street. I got in their vehicle and they played one of my favorite groups. They played the Eagles' Hotel California. And when I heard the fidelity out of that system, I dropped my jaw. I could not believe how good it sounded in that Tesla, and it was a Model 3. So, I wanted to place an order, but I didn't have a new Model Y. I actually wanted to get a Model Y. So later on in the year, I picked up a Model Y, as you guys have seen, and I went to place my order and found out that the 2023 Model Ys had a completely different rear interior. So Orella did not have a kit for my vehicle until maybe a week or two ago. So guess what? I actually got it in the mail. So I want to show you guys what I got. I haven't even opened it yet, but it consists of a 7-speaker system, okay, and a full subwoofer with an enclosure that's amplified. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually show you guys exactly how to install it today. And we're going to do the box opening. So we'll show you exactly what it's got and what it replaces. Let's get into it. Well, there you go, guys. Everything is unboxed, so I'm going to introduce you guys to the actual components. So you've got 7 speakers here, along with, some of them are coaxial. So you've got 2 rear coaxial door speakers. You've got these 3 speakers that'll go into your dash. So this is your left and your right, along with the tweeters that'll go into the doors. You've got a coaxial speaker for your front center stage. Then they've given you various adapters. This is a plug-and-play system. It completely replaces the factory system. So there's no obstruction, there's no cutting of wires or anything. As you can see, they've given you all of the harnesses. They've given you all the zip ties. You got all of the screws and bolts that you will need. You've got foam gaskets here. This is a Forstner bit and a T20 tool. We'll show you guys what to do with those in the installation video. You've got an inline fuse. Additional harnesses that you'll need. Then you've also got your dual voice coil subwoofer here. So check it out. 1 voice coil terminal, 1 set, 2nd set. This is the adapter plate for the subwoofer to retrofit this into the factory sub enclosure. And then what you have here, this will only pertain to the Model Y. Now keep in mind that there is a difference between the 2023 Model Y, like mine, and the older ones, so I guess the 2020 to the 2022s. So make sure you order the right kit for the right model year. So we'd figure we would show you guys the differences between the different Model Ys and the Model 3 kits right now instead of later or in a different video. So first and foremost, this is the earlier Model Y. This is the 2020 to 2022. As you can see, the cubbyhole cover is a different shape than the 2023. They did change the interior panels in the rear trunk. The amplifier rack and bracketing is actually identical for both Model Ys, so you don't need to worry about this, but this is a critical component. You got to make sure you order the right model year of your Model Y. Now, while we're at it, I figured I'd open the Model 3 and show you guys the difference here. There is no cubbyhole cover for the Model 3. The amplifier rack and the bracket is actually different, so take note of that. Make sure you order the Model 3 if you have a Model 3. And we're going to show you guys in a separate video how to do this installation for the Model Y as well as the Model 3, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys are interested in any of these products, please check them out on our website at zevcentric.com. We do have them uploaded. They range from $1,500 to $1,600. Model 3 is a little bit cheaper than Model Y due to this. And guys, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.